so it's not too foamy. This is a latte. It's not a cappuccino. Hi guys! Today we're going to make some coffee out of these Nespresso machines. And on the right here we have the Zenius coffee machine, which is a standalone machine. It can make 1 shot or 2 shots of espresso. It can also make black coffee, lungo coffee, or coffee Americano. It can also dispense hot water only. However, if you'd like to make cappuccino, latte, or macchiato, you will need a frother. So that is why we have here the Cappuccinator CS20 machine. These are both from Nespresso, and the Cappuccinator is what's going to help us in making the froth or the foam for our cappuccino today. Before you start making your coffee, of course, you have to make sure you have everything you need, right? You can't use the coffee without milk. So we have here an organic milk for no special reason. I use this milk because this is all I have right now, okay? But other than that, you can definitely use fresh milk, okay? And then, of course, you will need your coffee pods. These are pods. And the other, if you see the other shape or whatever in the market, those are actually capsules, okay? And then here, of course, you will also need your cup or your mug, so you can put your coffee there, all right? And then I have there a sugar sticks, actually, a box of sugar sticks. That's optional, okay? I don't usually add sugar anymore because the milk alone is very sweet. However, if you prefer to add some more, you can definitely do that. Alright, so that is why I included the sugar, so that at least you know that you can definitely add sugar in it. Now let's check our machine and make sure that they're ready before we start making our coffee. Here, for the frother, first you need to make sure that it has water in it. And if you see this box on the side, this is on the left side, right side rather, you can actually remove this. So carefully remove this and you can fill it with water, okay? Clean water, drinking water. Just to make sure we're clear on that, okay? So there, we've already put enough water in it. We can put it back carefully. Okay, so there, it's intact. And since you're already checking the frother to make sure that it is already ready, let's make sure that we have milk in it before we start using it. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how to put milk or the cappuccinator. We've already used the machine just a while ago because we made some coffee. But I just want to show you how exactly do you make this machine froth your milk or make foam for your milk. Before you eject this box here, you can actually detach these parts. Okay, so you just have to carefully turn it like this so it goes off. This is the tube that connects to this container where the milk comes from. And let's put that aside. You'll have to remove this carefully. All right, there. And you can eject this box so that the milk container can also come out. Okay, there. Okay. and we can go ahead and check inside. This one has milk in it, but we need to add more. Yeah, because that's very less already. Okay. This is how the organic milk looks like. So now we have enough milk. This is already half, so that should be okay. Make sure you close the lid tightly. There. And we can put it back in. Don't worry, my hands are clean. And again, let's put this. This is where you connect this tube here. And there's a small hole here where this one connects. Okay, so there your frother is ready. We're not gonna turn it on now because it's been used a while ago, as I mentioned. We will come back to this later. Let's go and check our Zenius coffee machine first. Now this is the Zenius coffee machine. As I mentioned earlier, it's a coffee machine only. So it's a standalone machine. Okay, you can't make a cappuccino or a latte out of this machine. Alright, you have to use the frother. And of course, before using it, make sure it has water. It actually has water, but that's very less, so let's add more. So you see how easy it is to fill it up with water? Now let's make the cappuccino. So of course you have to lift this up here. Insert the pod. Pull this down. Press this one for one shot espresso only. And get your cup ready. Once it's done blinking, that means it's done producing the crema or the cream of the coffee. There. So you get a very nice cream. Now let's make the froth. Here you can see this is the cappuccino indicator and this is for the latte. But we're making cappuccino, so the knob is on the cappuccino option. Alright, let's make our froth. So it's not too foamy. This is a latte. It's not a cappuccino. So the machine is off. Just turn it on. If this is not yet hot or warm, the green light will be blinking until it stops blinking, which means it's ready. However, it's not blinking now, that means it's still hot. Okay, so we can start making the foam or the froth.